Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on your BMW 5 Series. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the ignition is on. This prevents distractions while navigating the menu. You'll primarily use the iDrive controller, typically found in your center console, to access and adjust settings. Get ready to easily update your car's clock in just a few simple steps. To begin, press the Menu button on your iDrive controller. This will bring up the main menu on your display screen. Next, rotate the controller to highlight the Settings option. Once Settings is highlighted, push the controller down to select it. This action will open a new submenu where you can find various vehicle adjustments. Within the Settings menu, rotate the iDrive controller to find and select Time/Date. Push the controller to enter this section. You will then see options to set the time. Select Set Time and rotate the controller to adjust the hours. Push the controller to move to the minutes, adjust them similarly, and then confirm your selection to save the new time. Many BMW 5 Series models offer an automatic time synchronization feature. If available, enabling this option uses GPS to keep your clock perfectly accurate, so you rarely need to adjust it manually. This is a great convenience for daylight saving changes or when traveling across time zones. Remember to check your owner's manual for specific details on your model. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below for links and other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.